The Irontar Rattan Nightstand BZZ006ME combines a boho-style design with delicate rattan, metal sliding drawers, and matte finishes, making it a visually appealing addition to any room. Equipped with 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, this nightstand offers a convenient charging station for multiple devices, whether placed next to your bed or sofa. With a large desktop and 3 spacious drawers, this end table provides ample storage space for daily items like photo frames, ornaments, keys, mobile phones, books, and magazines. The versatile design of the Irontar Rattan Nightstand allows it to be used as a bedside table, end table, or storage cabinet, adapting to various needs and spaces. Measuring 23.6 inches in length, 15.7 inches in width, and 28.5 inches in height, it fits well in different room settings. Assembly is straightforward with detailed, step-by-step instructions and numbered accessories, ensuring you can put it together with ease and confidence.